Hello, my name is Surya Chakraborty. I am of class 10 and I have prepared a project about Ladakh and West Bengal. Now, Ladakh is a region in northern India. It is located between the Kunlun Mountains range in the north and main Himalayas to the south. Ladakh is well known for its remote and mountain scenery. It is inhabited by a mix of Indo-Aryan and Tibetan people. Their language is sometimes called Little Ladakh because it has been strongly influenced by the Tibetan culture. Ladakh is one of the least populated regions in India. Now, Ladakh is also the cold desert of India, we know that. And let us proceed with our project. Since I have told about where is Ladakh situated, we have seen that Ladakh is situated in the middle of Himalayas. So, Ladakh is also called the land of passes. And their language is mainly of Bhoti in Ladakh. Now, here comes the dress code. Ladakhi language can be understood simply in terms of spoken and written language or classical Tibetan. The classical Tibetan is generally known as Bhoti in Ladakh, since I've told this, and Yigi in Baltistan, where a spoken or colloquial Ladakhi is called Falsa. Speaking of attires of Ladakh, people wear a thick woolen robe called ghuncha with accessories such as teepee or a hat, lakpa, thick cloak worn all over the woman that provides extra warmth. Since Ladakh is really a cold region, we can see that we have to wear something made of wool because we know that wool always provides warmth to our body because it traps air, and air is a bad conductor of heat. Mm, Now we come to the food of Ladakh. Food means to provide important insights into the culture and history of a place. Since Ladakh is rich in culture and history, eating food in Ladakh is similar to taking a trip down the memory lane and reliving the history that this region has to offer. One of the best parts of traveling in Ladakh is the savor different dishes and cuisines. I love momos prepared by locals. So, Tibetan influence on Ladakh cuisine is palpable, especially thukpa and momos. Ladakhi food is not spicy like Indian cuisine but is simply and healthy. To bring you, I have provided two food items which is thukpa and momo. Momo is a dumpling where it is where many types of things are stuffed inside, such as a veg momo is also there in which cabbage is stuffed, and there are also many non-veg momos where you can stuff meat and any other things. Thukpa is a soupy noodles. We can see that it is also seen as soupy noodles. Now we are comparing Ladakh with our state West Bengal. Now West Bengal is situated in the eastern region of India. So, and it has really most dissimilarities than similarities. The only similar things in both these states is that a religion. That in Ladakh, most of the people are from Tibet. Their Tibetan culture is strongly influenced inside. So, in Tibetan culture, the Buddhism is the religion of Tibetan people. Ladakh is mostly comprised of the people who follow Buddhism. In West Bengal also, we can see that in the northern West Bengal, in Darjeeling, it is near Sikkim. So there are also Buddhism is followed in a large amount. So this is the similar thing of Ladakh and West Bengal. Now we come to the dissimilarities. Now, this similarity comes with the flora and fauna. We can see that Ladakh is a cold desert and there are not much plants and animals there, but there are animals such as dalsip, ibex, and other lynx, brown bear, snow leopard. They are present in Ladakh. Now, flora of Ladakh comprises about 880 species. Ladakh is rich in repository of medicinal and aromatic plants and other important plants which are closely associated with local life of region. Fauna of Leh has a great diversity of 225 species of birds and big land animals such as wild yak. Now, fauna and flora of West Bengal, since we compare with West Bengal is a warmer region than Ladakh. Ladakh is a higher region because it is inside in the between of Himalayas. Okay, so it is more colder than West Bengal, and as the altitude increases, we can see that the temperature also decreases. Now, West Bengal is situated in a lower altitude, so it is warmth. Now, flora fauna of West Bengal possesses the combined characteristic of Himalayan Gangetic plain. The floral diversity of state is also enriched by 4622 species out of total 44,594 floral species in India. And about 10.36% of our country's flora, West Bengal comprises that. The main crop is barley, which is roasted and grounded in the powder called sampa. This was a staple food of Ladakh. The barley is also used in wheat and vegetables production, mustard, apples and apricots. West Bengal ranks first in paddy and vegetable production. Since this is a warmer region, and we can also see that it is situated near Bay of Bengal, and Bay of Bengal situating there are monsoon season is more. Now monsoon season is more, summer is more, we can grow more crops. Now here too much crops are grown. It ranks first in paddy and vegetables production in the country. It stands second in potato production after Uttar Pradesh. It is also the leading producer of jute, pineapple, lychee, mango and loose flowers, pulses and oil seeds, and also picking up fast. Now we have seen this, and talking about the wildlife, that in West Bengal our national animal, which is the Royal Bengal tiger, is there. Many types of animal are there in West Bengal. Now thank you for watching my video. I hope I had represented in the best I could do. So thank you for listening this. Again I have to say my name is Surya Chakraborty. Now I'm ending this video. Thank you.